Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a stool sample kit. First, carefully read all the instructions provided with your kit to understand each step. Make sure you have all the necessary components, such as the collection paper, tube, and any preservatives. Find a clean, private bathroom where you can comfortably collect the sample. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before you begin handling any part of the kit to maintain hygiene. Now, let's move on to collecting the sample itself. Carefully place the special collection paper provided with your kit loosely over the toilet bowl rim. Make sure it's secure and won't accidentally fall into the water. Then, pass a stool directly onto this collection paper, taking care to avoid any contact with the toilet water. It's also very important not to urinate during this collection process to prevent contamination. Once you have collected your stool, it's time to transfer it to the tube. Use the small scoop or stick provided in your kit to collect a small portion of the stool. You'll typically need a sample about the size of a pea or a small grape, which is usually about 1/4 to 1/2 of a teaspoon. Carefully place this collected sample into the designated collection tube. After transferring, make sure the tube is securely closed to prevent any leaks. Finally, let's talk about packaging and sending your sample. Place the securely sealed collection tube into the biohazard bag provided in your kit. Make sure to accurately complete any patient information forms that are required. Then, put both the biohazard bag and the completed forms into the return mailing box. It's crucial to ship the sample promptly, ideally within 24 hours, following the specific instructions provided with your kit to ensure accurate results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.